Hello everyone and welcome back to Legend of Zelda the Windwaker HD. In the last episode, we got a new sail and we beat Phantom Ganon. In today's episode, we are going to go into that door and rescue a whale. Let's go. I hate these guys. Door. Go inside. Yep, let's go in. Big brother! You okay? I was worried. Hi. That's how you not open the door that easily? So, there you go. All didn't happen before again. So, I swear it. Do you know we have to draw that monster bird off for you? It was about to fly in here after you again. That sword! Where did you get that? Are you? No, it couldn't be impossible. How could this be? What are you talking about? But never mind. It's time to take... For now, let's just take these girls. I'm sure their father will be so happy to have them back into town. It'll be a handsome reward. I am so sorry to touch a soft family reunion. But is this something you need to take care of? If you're worried about your sister, but don't be. I promise you we'll have a backer safe back on your little island. And but this time, it will be all a treat. Or your brother has to do some big, grown-up important things. Grown-up things. He'll be back soon, so just wait in the ship until he returns, okay? But big brother... Miss Tetra, we have to hurry. The bird will be here any second. Ah, Gonzo. Excellent timing. Take this one for me. Huh? But she's fine, just do as I told you. Big brother! Bye-bye. Link, we'll be back. I swear it. Alright, bring it on, bird. I'm ready to take you. Crap, the water's rising. I gotta move fast. I gotta be fast. I gotta beat the bird to the top. Get out of my way, pig. Whoa. Yikes. Whoa. I said out of my way. No, no, no! What the heck is wrong with him? Oh, I'm gonna kill him. Ha! Fall, you stupid! Ah! Yikes! Got me fit quickly. No time to fight. Huh? He's blocking my way! Take this! Was that it? Huh, that was easy. I hit the bird with the hammer, and he fell down. Huh. That was too easy. What? You're alive? But I thought you fell down and you died. How? But that's impossible. You're some kind of freak. Oh well, time to finish you off. Here, buddy. Oops. Take that. Yeah, that's right. Calm down. Huh. Hey, this. Aww. Are you a bird or a chicken? Come down. Puppy douche. Go. Ha! Stupid bird, he hit the wall. Stupid bird. Can you sing your mask? Maybe I should destroy his mask. Stupid bird. Here, eat my arrows. Uh-oh. Come and get me. Calm down and fight, you big wuss. Uh-oh. Yeah, you think I'm more delicious, huh? Take your mask off. Oh, you know what? You look pretty scary without the mask. I think you're a little bit both. Oh well. Calm down, buddy. And this and that. I did it! did it! He blowed up. Look at all his feathers. Stupid bird. Let's go. Let's go talk to the manager. Alright, let's go. I have some demands. It's been a while, boy. You have done well to sneak into my fortress and wiggled your way all the way up here. I must surprise of you, kid. You have really did well. My name is Ganondorf. I am the master of the Forsaken Fortress. By the way, boy, when you drew that sword out of its pedestal, did you by a chance know all the monsters down there are starting to stirring again? You do understand what the thing does? No, I do not. Foolish child, well, that sword is the evil blade, and at the same time as magic blade of a wall. You see, it's also some key that kept me and my magic intact. By burning away, you have broken that seal. You cannot defeat me with the blade that does not sparkle with power to repel evil. What you hold is useless. Go back to the world below and tell the pathetic fools who made this blade. Its powers are gone, and it's dust. Link, get up! Let me go! You pathetic will see that! Huh? My Triforce power is resonating! At long last, I have found you, Princess Zelda. What? What are you talking about? I don't know any Zeldas. Anything good would get you nothing. Tell me, if you're not Zelda, then why do you have this fragment of the Triforce? What? You think you can beat me? It's alright, Link. She's gonna be okay. Yeah, your sister is escaped from the Forsaken Fortress and he's with the pirates. She is safe now. And Lord Baru, you have arrived of men. You saved them. It was no problem. Why, sir, this means, yes, Ganon is still alive and he's gonna go after these two of Ganon. Yes. We must protect, we must, blah, 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 blah. Link, I will explain everything later, but now we must go back to the world below, the sea. Ow! Link, you're alright. What is this place? And Ganondorf, what happened to him? Link, what are you doing? You must come now to the room where you got the Master Sword. Who is using the stone? Just who are you? Link, I will explain everything. The stone this is. How dare you use my stone? Your name is Tetra, correct? You must come with Link to see me at once. Well, don't you have a big surprise. Link, what are you waiting for? You must show me who's using my stone. Show me now to get where that voice is. Okay. Well, come on, Tetra, let's go. Bye, Red Lion. Red Lion? Hello? Hello? Red Lion? How come he's not speaking to me? Oh well. Tetra, stop fooling around. You have to go. Tetra! Come on! Follow me. Welcome to my house. This isn't your house. Well, it is my house. See? I got a statue. That doesn't mean you live here. Oh. I'm trying to impress you. What? Well, that's all the time we have for today. Until next time, this is Adam, sign off. And if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Will you kiss me? No! Aw, please. No! But I saved you. No, you didn't. I saved you. Oh. Oh, see you guys next time. Please. No. Aww. Bye-bye. Please. No. Aww.